Hello, this is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to join these two tapestry crochet companion cube panels together to make a real goofy square hat. Identify the front and back of each panel and place the back sides together. Line everything up. You should have a nice clean edge around each panel to make this pretty easy. Scope out the description below this video for a link to this free pattern as well as other pertinent links you may be interested in. Alrighty, now let's begin. Start in one of the bottom corners. Join your yarn and slip stitch right on up the side, being sure to work through both pieces and that everything is lining up nicely. I get a weird number of questions about slip stitching. Slip stitch work blows people's minds and I don't know why. It's just insert, yarn over, and pull through. It makes very clean, sturdy edge seams. As you can see here, looks real nice. I like the way it looks. You can also, of course, sew these two panels together if you want. Patterns are just suggestions, kids. For real, if something else works better for you, do it. The slip stitch seam around makes the hat more square, nice and square. I wanted a square hat and I wanted it to be square. Blanket stitch will also work. Whip stitch or even a tight running stitch should be fine. Those are all hand sewing techniques, mind you, and I think I have some videos for each of them as well, but for different patterns. If you want to peruse my YouTube channel, I think I have everything nicely organized. Maybe not. Who really knows? I'm going to work on this a little bit more so you can see, get a feel for it. Check that out. Look at this clean seam. It's beautiful. Okay, and now let's time travel and look at the finished seam all the way around. Here's a look at the inside of the seam. I of course need to weave in my ends. But this is the top seam. Everything looks good, nice and square. Again, check out the description for other goodies. And thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more yarn help videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.